안녕하세요 everyone. Today we are going to learn how to tell time in Korean. It will be very easy if you're already familiar with native and Sino-Korean number. If you don't know the numbers yet, check out the link video in the top right corner for a quick study. Are you ready? Let's begin. When reading time in Korean, we use the word 시 for hours using native numbers like 하나, 둘, 셋. And for minutes, it's 분, with Sino numbers like 1, 2, 3. Remember to state the numbers before these terms. Reading hour is simple and quite straightforward rule. You can easily add numbers before 시, which is hour. However, for 1 to 4, we simplify the words. For 하나, it becomes 한. For the number 2, 둘, we drop the R sound, making it 두. 3, 셋, drop S sound, making it 세. The last 4, 넷, also drop S sound, making it 네. From 5, you can just simply say the number and say 시 after. Now let's practice saying from 1 o'clock to 12 o'clock together. 1시, 2시, 3시, 4시, 5시, 6시, 7시, 8시, 9시, 10시, 11시, 12시. Reading minutes is also simple. You can just say the Sino number like 1, 2, 3, followed by 분, which is minute. Now let's practice reading 10 to 15 minutes together. 10분, 20분, 30분, 40분, 50분. AM, 오전. PM, 오후. In Korean, we typically say AM or PM before the time to indicate whether it's in the morning or afternoon, evening. Now is your time to practice. Remember, we use native numbers for hours and Sino numbers for minutes. Ready? Let's go. 오후 5시 20분. 오전 10시 15분. 오후 2시 34분. 오전 1시 27분. Great job, everyone. Keep practicing and I will see you next time. 다음에 또 봐요. 안녕.